Welcome to the Car Truth. Today, we're taking a look at a true American icon, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This legendary truck has been reborn into one of the most luxurious and powerful motorhomes ever built. What used to be a long-haul freight warrior is now a rolling palace designed for those who want to explore the open road without ever leaving the comforts of a five-star hotel. On the outside, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 keeps its muscular trucker look with an aerodynamic nose, bold grille, and massive presence. But step inside and you'll be blown away. The interior is a masterclass in comfort and technology. You'll find real wood finishes, leather recliners, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, a marble-topped bathroom, and a luxurious bedroom with a queen-size bed and smart ambient lighting. The motorhome features a fully digital cockpit with driver assist tech, onboard entertainment, climate control zones, and solar-powered systems for off-grid adventures. There's even a built-in washer and dryer, satellite internet, and surround sound to make every journey feel like home, or better. Under the hood, it's all power. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 comes with a next-gen diesel engine optimized for torque and fuel efficiency, making long-distance travel effortless. Whether you're crossing state lines or living life on the road full-time, this rig doesn't just meet expectations, it crushes them. If you're ready to turn every highway into a luxury experience, this is the motorhome to beat. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more insane vehicles, only on The Car Truth.